Hello everyone, in this video I want to show how to remove rear view mirror Volkswagen Polo 5th generation. So, we need soft face hammer, then gently okay. If you enjoyed this video, click like and subscribe.